guys, welcome back. Today's video is a grocery haul. Today is what, Wednesday. It's midweek ish. I ran out of breakfast item, and I needed recipe for beef stroganoff. I've never made beef stroganoff before, but I wanted to try it, and that's what we're having today. And also I needed some more snack items for the children to try out, so that's what this haul is about. In my mind, it's a total waste of money, but at the same time, whatever, you only live once, okay? YOLO! Anyways, let's get into the video. So let's start off over here. This was a total splurge, and it was 50% off, and I couldn't resist. So what it is the Sistema lunch container. So it comes with the water bottle, and they only had one. Had they had more, I would have totally got more, and because you know I love my Sistemas. I have a few of these already. This is the snack container, and yeah, it has 2 parts to it. So you have your snack, and then you can put your dip item there or whatever. And then it comes with a lunch container. Get out of here. So you just open it like this, and I love Sistema. Oh, I love Sistema. So you put your sandwich there, and you put your 2 sides. So I need to find more because I have 4 kids. Anyways, all right, so I got some craisins, and this is a trail mix to try out with the kids because Destiny don't like raisin. So I want to try this out and see if she likes that. Got a whole bunch of almond for my salad. I couldn't choose, so I just got all of them. So this is the sliced almond with cranberry, and this is honey roasted, and this is just the regular oven roasted, and this is just the honey roasted. So I want to try out these 3, and then my husband likes complete cookie, so I just got him one. I got all these for the kids to try out. And some more over here. I just want them to try them and see if they like them, so that they can be a staple in our I tried them with the Larabar. They didn't like it, so I'm gonna try them with the fruit and greens, because this has strawberry and spinach with cashew, and this one is Love Your Veggie, spinach and kale, and it has banana in it, so I can always throw that in, and hey, they get their servings of vegetable, and these are just Justin's peanut butter for extra protein. And then you have these thin protein cakes. It has 12 grams of protein in here. This is free to be Sun Cups, no peanut butter. These are Luna bars. Never had them. So I just got 3 for them to try out. So that's what that is. Some milk, some Kerrygold Irish butter. I'm about to do bulletproof coffee. I don't know why. Got some beef for beef stroganoff. Some red potatoes right here. We got some roast and blend. We have some turkey pepperoni, because I'm getting ready to do a Lunchable. Some cherubs tomatoes. These are like the bomb. Like seriously, my ice, my sparkling ice. Like I love these things. Like you guys know, I love my sparkling ice, and yeah, I don't know why I didn't get more, but 2 a day for the end of this week. I don't know. Cinnamon Toast Crunch Kicks cereal. It's not the healthiest, but hey, don't ranch, beef stroganoff seasoning. So you know, I told you I'm gonna make beef stroganoff. Halos, I got some halos, 2 bags. onion, beef broth for my beef stroganoff. Some more beef, but this is not for beef stroganoff. It's just beef. I don't know why I got that. I got some chipotle and cheddar. So this is a salad chop kit. And then this is a coleslaw. This is mango sriracha. Yeah. And then I got some chicken from the hot, whatever, where they have the whole salad thing set up. I got this to put on this because I need to start eating healthier. I got the noodles. These are the extra wide egg noodles for the beef stroganoff. So I got 2 of those. Got some cotton candy grapes because these are like so delicious. Oh. Got some red grapes over here. Ramen noodles, because when you girl feel lazy, I just have the kids pop these in the microwave and instant meal. Some butter bread. These are so good. If you never had butter bread, oh, your life is missing out on something great. 2 of those. Bagel. Mozzarella. Mild cheddar. Some deli meat. So this is chicken. I have smoked turkey there, and what's that one? Mesquite. Coffee. Caramel macchiato. I'm obsessed with this. I don't know why. Danimal squeezables and the animals smoothie down here. More, you know, junk for the children when I'm not in the mood to cook. And 2 cases of water. So that's it, guys. Anyways, people. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next grocery haul. Bye, guys.